Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make chicken noodle soup in the microwave. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need cooked chicken, your favorite noodles, and chicken broth. Make sure to use a microwave-safe bowl, ideally one that holds at least 4 cups, to avoid any overflows. Having everything ready makes the process super smooth and quick. Now, let's assemble our delicious soup. Pour your chicken broth into the microwave-safe bowl. Add your cooked chicken and any vegetables you like, such as carrots or peas. Then, gently stir in your quick-cooking noodles, making sure they are fully submerged in the broth. Finally, cover the bowl loosely with a lid or microwave-safe plastic wrap. It's time to heat things up. Place your covered bowl in the microwave and heat on high for 2 to 3 minutes. Carefully remove it, give it a good stir, and then return it to the microwave. Continue heating in 1-minute intervals, stirring between each, until your soup is piping hot and the noodles are perfectly tender. Be careful, it will be hot. Almost ready to enjoy. Carefully remove the hot bowl from the microwave using oven mitts or a thick towel. Give your soup one final stir. This is a great time to add any fresh herbs, like parsley, or extra seasonings to taste. Let it rest for about 1 minute to cool slightly before serving. Enjoy your quick and comforting microwave chicken noodle soup.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.